Doesn't go far, but I'm trying. And we are away with our men's 500-meter final. Winning the start is Eric Fleischman from Team Tense. Moving up on the inside, taking over Lou Daney from Auburn Speed. Moving up into second place, Matt Flora from the Everett Express. 3 laps to go. You got something sticking in your nose right there. Oh. She wants to be respectable all of a sudden, huh? Nice. 1 to go. We got Auburn and Everett. Lou Davey, Matt Flora now making a move into the lead. And it'll be Matt